Good morning to all. We are the students of class 1. I am Matthew Sijo. I am Thomas Sijo. Today we celebrate Farmers Day. About 60% of the Indian populace relies on farming for its everyday work. So it is very important to celebrate Farmers Day. I welcome all this function. Let us start our function by singing a prayer song. I invite Sandra Dills for prayer song. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love, so high you can get over it, so deep you can get under it, so wide you can get around it. Oh, wonderful love, God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you, Sandria. Now I invite my friend Rayana Sebastian for his speech. Respected manager, principal Mr. Sila, teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Farmers Day. This day is celebrated every year to reward farmers for their contribution to the society. We must respect all the farmers. If you ate today, thank you to a farmer. Thank you for feeding my family. I conclude my days. Thank you. Thank you, Rayana. I know you like that very much. So let us invite Angela Lista.
കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ, കട്ടകെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ. കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ, കട്ടകെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ. പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൻ പാടത്ത് വായോ. കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ, കട്ടകെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ. വല്ലം നിറ വട്ടികൊണ്ട കുട്ടകൊണ്ട ഇല്ലം നിറ വല്ലം നിറ വട്ടികൊണ്ട കുട്ടകൊണ്ട. അല്ലിമലർ പെണ്ണാളെ ഇല്ലം നിറയ്ക്ക് വേല ചെയ്ത് വേപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് പാടം നനയ്ക്ക്. അങ്ങനെ വളര് 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 പുത്തഞ്ഞാറേ കുളിര് 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 കോരണ പാടം. പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൻ പാടത്ത് വായോ. കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ, കെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ. വന്നേ ഓണം വന്നേ ഓടിവായോ കൂട്ടുകാരേ ഓണം വന്നേ ഓടിവായോ കൂട്ടുകാരേ കാലത്തെ പൂക്കളത്തിൽ മാവേലി എത്തും പാടിയാടി തുമ്പിതുള്ളാൻ കൂട്ടുകാരെത്തും അങ്ങനെ വിടരു 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 ചിങ്ങപ്പൂവേ തുടരു തുടരു തിന്തിനാട്ടം പെണ്ണേ പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൻ പാടത്ത് വായോ കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൻ പാടത്ത് വായോ കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ.
Thank you, Angela, for your wonderful dance. Now let us enjoy a rhyme. I invite Gion Gino for a rhyme.
Good morning, everyone. I feel exceedingly proud to have got an opportunity to recite a poem related to farming. Who grasps gold from the soil? Who is provider of food to all? Whether it's a sun, cold or rain, no one can stop that man. The sun showers fire and sweat flows from his body. Earth burns like coal, but he moves on steady. He is born in dirt and lives in dirt. He dies in dirt, a cruel fact. His life is full of problem and pain, but he is patient who never complain. He is the real hero of our nation. Hard work and honesty is his only profession.
Thank you, Gion, for your wonderful rhyme. Now let us watch the performance of Sandria and Adis. Let us enjoy some slogan related to farmers. Farmers are the backbone of the nation. Farmer is an armor for a healthy society. A farmer is a magician who produces money from the mud. Farming is not a job. It is a way of life. To a farmer, dirt is not a waste. It is wealth. Thank you, Sandria and Adil. Some of our friends are ready to entertain with the fancy dress. I invite Emmanuel, Kashinath, Evin, Rogan, Sania and Sona. This is a tea. Is it? Hello everyone. I am Manuel J. Joseph from class 1. I am going to say about farming. Agriculture is my country's culture and farmer is backbone of our country. Wish you thank farmers for providing us good food during this crisis time. Remember, no country can grow Rotten in everybody. Hi. Rotten in. No farmer, no food, no life. So respect the farmers. They are the backbone of our society. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sona Thomas. My school name is Anderson Public School, Neerud. I am playing the role of farmer. A farmer is a great helper of our society. A farmer is the backward of our country. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am a farmer. I cultivate crops and feed the society. So please support us. Thank you.
Hi, good morning to everybody. My name is Anya Ranjit from first standard. I am a farmer. We grow crops, vegetables and fruits. Whatever eaten is produced by ours only. We are the backbone of our country. Thank you. Thank you, friends, for your wonderful program. My dear friend, Chris Dobby is ready to entertain us with a story related to farming. Let us enjoy it. Dear friends, today I have come up with an interesting story about a farmer. A short story, Farmer and the Well. A farmer looking for a source of water for his farm bought a well from his neighbor. The neighbor was cunning, though and refused to let the farmer take the water from the well. On asking why, he replied, I sold the well to you, not the water. He walked away. The distraught farmer did not know what to do. So he went to Birbal, a clever man of Emperor Akbar, for a solution. The emperor called the farmer and his neighbor and asked why the man was not letting the farmer draw water from the well. The cunning man said the same thing again. I sold the water, not the well. So he cannot take my water. To his Birbal replied, remove the water. Use it at all up. Immediately realizing he has stood and taught his lesson. The man apologized and left. Cheating will not get you anything. You do cheat, you will pay for it enough time. You. Thank you, Chris. Here comes our Evelyn Kibin with an action song. Let us enjoy her show. Hi friends, I am Evelyn Devi. Today I am going to sing a song. Okay, let us start. We shall all come, we shall all come, we shall all come someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all come someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all come someday. We shall in peace, we shall in peace, we shall in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all come someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe Ishaloor Sunday. The ovid way the round, the ovid way the round, the ovid way the round Sunday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe Ishaloor Sunday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe Ishaloor Sunday. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye. Thank you, Evelyn, for your action song. I invite Sona Sojan to sing a Nadam മലയാളി പെണ്ണിന്റെ മധുപൂറും ചുണ്ടത്ത് മലയോരപ്പാട്ടിന്റെ വഴിയേറി ചെളിതള്ളും പാടത്ത് വിളകയും നേരത്ത് കിളികുഞ്ചി പാടണ പാട്ടാണേ. മലയാളി പെണ്ണിന്റെ മധുപൂറും ചുണ്ടത്ത് മലയോരപ്പാട്ടിന്റെ വഴിയേറി ചെളിതള്ളും പാടത്ത് വിളകയും നേരത്ത് കിളികുഞ്ചി പാടണ പാട്ടാണേ. ദിക്തേ ദഗ ദിക്തേ ദിക്തേ ദഗ ദിക്തേ ദിക്തേ ദഗ ദിക്തേ ദിക്തേ ദഗ ദിക്തേ ഹൊയ്യാരെ 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 ഹൊയ്യാരെ. പാടമൊരുമ്പോളും ഞാറു നടുമ്പോളും പാടണ പാട്ടാണേ, പാടണ പാട്ടാണേ. ശീലക്കുട ചൂടിയിട്ടു തമ്പ്രാൻ വരുമ്പോ ശീലിച്ചു പാടണ പാട്ടാണ്, പഴമൊഴിക്കാരുടെ പാട്ടാണ്. മലയാളി പെണ്ണിന്റെ മധുപൂറും ചുണ്ടത്ത് മലയോരപ്പാട്ടിന്റെ വഴിയേറി ചെളിതള്ളും പാടത്ത് വിളകൊയ്യും നേരത്ത് കിളികുഞ്ചി പാടണ പാട്ടാണ്. Thank you, Sona. Dear all our friends, Shino Shaji is a little farmer. He wants to show his farm. Let us enjoy it and do some farming in your household. Hi friends, my name is Shino Shaji. My father is a farmer. I also help him in his farming. I would like to welcome all of you to my farm. Let's visit my farm. Friends, this is my shed for goats. Sometimes I feed my goats, especially this lamb. These are my chickens. I have 10 hens and 2 goats. This is my vegetable garden. I have a ivy gourd and a lady's finger. I give manure and water for them. Friends, this is my fish pond. There are different types of fishes in my pond. Me and my sister feed them. Friends, I invite all of you to my tapioca farm. I like to destroy weeds from my tapioca farm. Have a look at my cow shed. This is my cow. Sometimes my father allow me to feed this cow. I love to do it. That is all about my farm. I humbly request all of you plant some vegetables and fruits in your household. Thanks for watching my farm. Thank you. Thank you, Shino, for your presentation. Dear friends, let us listen to Ivana Sijo. Good morning, everyone. Respected manager, principal, teacher, media, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to say a few words about farmers. A farmer is an important person in our country. They grow crops for us. They wake up early in the morning and work hard all day. They also contribute to our economic growth. So, farmers are the backbone of our country. I conclude my words. Thank you. Thank you, Ivana. I invite Nia Sunny for the dance performance. Thank you, my dear friend Nia. I hope you enjoyed this program. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye bye.